Hey guys, I am in the business section of the motorhome, the business that we really don't like to talk about. I'm in the bathroom. We're leaving in the morning for Land Between the Lakes. There are a couple things I need to work on. One of those things is to give our black tank a good cleaning and clean the sensors. And what I've researched that's best for that is called the GEO method, and she uses a cup of Calgon and a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid into the tank, and then fill the water up. And as we travel to Land Between the Lakes, it will slosh, and the idea is to clean the tank. So I'm going to add the 4 capfuls. Each capful is a quarter cup, so I'm going to add 4 capfuls to this, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid, and then we're going to try to fill it up with water. We are hooked to our house line here, so we do have water. So I've added 4 capfuls. That is 1 cup of Calgon. This is not the bubble bath Calgon. Actually, I had a hard time finding this because this is the water softener. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid. It says a few squirts of Dawn dishwashing liquid, so we're just going to do that, a couple squirts, and then we're going to flush this, and I'm going to basically hold this down, let the tank just kind of fill it with water. We're 2/3 full. I'm going to leave it there. I think that's full enough for it to do its thing and clean while we travel tomorrow. So that's one more down, guys. Again, just a disclaimer. This is just me documenting what we're doing. I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be. So before you try this in your tanks, you might want to make sure it doesn't void any warranties or anything like that. Till next time, guys. We'll see you on the road. Hi guys, just installing a new camera mount. Give you a look at us as we're driving down the road. Make it a little easier to vlog. Test it out from the other seat. Hi from over here. So get this new mount set up. Also be able to flip it around and get you a view of the road. So almost ready to go. I'm excited. I'm ready to go, but it is hot in this RV. So I'm gonna close this thing down. See you guys on the road.